In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the location priority in your Shopify dashboard. This is an essential task if you want to streamline your order fulfillment process, especially if you have multiple locations fulfilling orders. By setting your location priority correctly, you can ensure that your workflow is as efficient as possible, making the best use of your resources. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is essentially your control center, where you'll manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a gear icon which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the settings menu. Within the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Among these options, look for Locations and select it. This section is crucial because it helps you manage where your products are stocked and how your orders are processed from different locations. Now, as you scroll down within the Locations section, keep an eye out for an option labeled Location Priority. Location Priority is a fantastic feature that allows you to set the order in which your locations fulfill orders. When you reach Location Priority, you'll see an option to view or edit Location Priority. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can fine-tune these settings. On this screen, you'll see a list of the various locations you have set up. One of the convenient features of Shopify is the drag and drop functionality, which allows you to easily rearrange these locations. Click and drag the locations to set your preferred order of priority. It's important to note that the locations you place at the top of the list will be the first to be assigned orders. If a location can't fulfill an entire order, Shopify intelligently splits the order and assigns the remaining items to other locations on your list. Once you've arranged everything to your satisfaction, make sure to click the Save button to apply your changes. Saving your settings is crucial to ensure that the adjustments you've made are implemented and reflected in your order fulfillment process. This configuration of location priority may seem simple at first glance, but it plays a key role in ensuring your business runs smoothly and efficiently, minimizing potential delays and maximizing customer satisfaction. Properly setting your location priorities can lead to a more organized inventory system and, ultimately, a more successful business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you optimize your Shopify order fulfillment process. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your online store effectively.